Okay, guys, who's up for a little Meccha Chameleon? Get your guy into position. Wait, don't touch that! I think you made him mad. Fiery mad! Wait, he's just 3D. Does this mean the game's over? Before it's begun? Well, we can help give you some camouflage. See? You blend right in at the local skate park. But next, why don't we try something with a little bit more color? Ooh, blocks! Either that or over the rainbow. Spring must be in the air because everything's coming up daisies. It's always nice to have secret friends in your corner. You guys are hungry? Let's check out the kitchen. Ooh, Mom's got quite the spread laid out. Don't worry, I'm sure she won't notice. How about some fish? Not pescatarians, I see. A carrot? No. Okay, we need to rethink this. In fact, why don't we make a kitchen just your size? Nobody can say no to noodles. Ooh, looks like it's the instant kind. And there's plenty enough for the two of you. Wait, silly sprunkies, we need toppings. Some sausages and broccoli. For some extra protein, how about a quail egg? Though it's practically an ostrich egg for you guys. Didn't you hear about letting sleeping dogs lie? After all, this girl's a real ball of energy. Well, either way, someone's sleeping good tonight. Yeah, maybe we should look into it. Uh-oh, Oren, Pinky, you're all to pieces. Well, brick by brick, we'll put you back together. Don't worry, soon you'll have a good head on your shoulders. Plus a few other necessary accessories. You're never fully dressed without antennae. See? You're feeling just as animated as ever. And you look it too. Something tells me you should turn down the volume. Don't worry, she's a little nearsighted. Why, she won't even notice that book's upside down. See? So say hi to Aslan for Mom. By the way, did you notice there's a disco in your cabinet? Oh, it's just a giant blowout party with planned choreography and a bespoke song. Anyone thirsty? We'll get the apple juice ready. Did I say juice? Silly me. I meant the turntables. Make some holes for buttons. We're going real high tech. Add a rainbow. It's kind of a sprunky thing. How about we empty that can next? After all, the speakers are the stars of the show. Come on, everybody. This will really get the party started. What's cooler than cool? Cool Tool! I think it's time we squeeze in some homework. Tired? Well, I guess a quick nap won't hurt. Careful, you two! Oh no! You deleted her work! Well, some candies will cheer you up. I think she's got an idea. Let's start by polishing up this box. Here's a familiar face. It's Funbot. We're gonna give him a full body makeover, complete with a brand new motherboard. And you just can't beat a widescreen. It looks like our Sprunkies want to play. After all, they'll get to see some old friends. Uh-oh, it's starting to look like Halloween. That's enough digital fun for one day. I think it's time for all of us to hit the hay. But we'll need to make one more craft first. And this box sure could use some legs. It's a Simon TV, and it's already got antennae. Some people love to fall asleep watching TV. But this really puts a new spin on things. Besides, it really helps with hiding in plain sight. Turn off the TV. It's time for bed. And it looks like Mom's none the wiser. Pay no attention to the Sprunkies behind the curtain. Aw, they're asleep. Not a bad idea. Uh-oh, can someone get Gary a candy bar or something? He's just not himself when he's hungry. Come on, you guys used to be close, and you can get closer. Okay, it's time for the gang to emerge better than ever. Plus, there's more. Just enough for a dance party. What a pretty carrot. Judy will just eat him up. But first, he could sure use a bit of a trim. Or is this pruning? Either way, looking sharp. You tip your barber with blocks? No wonder they're always sweeping. Still, how else are they gonna make a bunny buddy of their very own? Unless you're feeling a bit foxy. Up next, an egg? And look what's inside! Gary! Ooh, he's a 3D printed toy. Careful, he sure likes to get around. Don't worry, he's completely harmless. Why, he'll coil himself all over your heart. Talk about finger food. A popsicle paw. Have a lick, Judy. Uh-oh, catch that drip. We can use it to make even tinier ice pops. Too late. Well, no use crying over spilled syrup. You'll like this new treat better. We really left our mark, too. Of course, with the sand and hot glue, it's not a treat to eat. Add a stick. Carve it out of the sand. And it's an everlasting popsicle. Those don't go in your mouth. A balloon makes much more sense. Make room for air. Let's add a pair of eyes. Now, where have we seen those before? It's Nick! Now our balloon party can really start. After all, what's a party without balloons? Ooh, look, we've got Zootopia blind boxes. Hey, Nick, Judy, and Bellwether have 2 variants. How cute. It's like a La Zuzu, Nick. But he's looking lonely. Let's get him some friends. Well, we can't have Nick without Judy. But I wonder if one of them's getting a twin. Guess not. It's Bellwether. At least we've got one of each. Let's just hope she's out on good behavior. Ah, when you've got cardboard, you've got the world. And this one's got our favorite bunny, Judy Hopps. But we're gonna need to make some room. After all, Judy wants something to eat. Grab the chopsticks. Why don't you try some gummy worms? After all, you tried the real thing in the sequel. Uh-oh, I think we gave her too much. Maybe we could get something healthier. Not that. That's more like it. A fresh carrot, straight out of the dirt. Of course, the soil holds all sorts of buried treasures. Yeah, some carrots are really more her speed. And just imagine what her eyesight must be like.